Okay, now our technician will show you how to operate the machine. Okay, now we start machine. And one zipper will go through here and come out. Here, please be noted that this machine is suitable for uncoiling the long chain zipper and the zipper tab. But for long chain zipper, zipper tab, it should come through different positions. For the long chain zipper, it should come above the leader. This leader, it should come above this leader. But for zipper tab, it should come between these two leaders, between these spare parts, and come out. And the function of this spare part is to indicate the machine when the machine has run out of the long chain zipper or zipper tape. These spare parts will fall down to their place and the machine will stop automatically. So if you have any question about the machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.